be in perfect time. Just don't beat water.
Everybody show me feelings now.
Alright, I feel him. Jesus Christ. Jackie! Why did it?
Mission boats will be in soon. We'll fly behind them and scream like hell, and whatever they throw overboard, we get to eat.
You think maybe we should just get our own food? You know, we have beaks, we can swim. Instead of scrounging off of others, maybe
Can I see you for a minute? What was that? What was that? You want to be a hawk? Is that what you want? Because you're not. All right, you see any clutching talons down there? No, we have webbed feet. What are you gonna do? Paddle your food to death? You're gonna find a little field mouse and paddle him to death with your webbed feet?
If I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, think you handle that? You ain't ready for this work now. Watch me throw it back, throw it back, throw it back, throw it back, throw it back,
Flip back.
throw it back. My act too fat, too fat.
You fucking, you bloody, bastard bitch, you bloody, fuck you, bloody.
I'm gangster. You know what they call me in the streets? You know what the homies call me in the streets, B? They call me pendejo. Pendejo. I don't know what that shit mean, but that shit sound tough.
Who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
Check my social media, yeah.
To see who loves me online.
Hashtag blessed life. Time.
Give that me to your wife, me like I'm so doing shim for.
Not like that. No.
Me know everything about football. And then since I know so much about football, we strike for Barcelona and him. Yeah, we play for Barcelona. That's how I know Neymar, Messi, brother. The man they are wicked. Man they use it 2 foot, left right foot. And he step over and he step over and he plant. You see him pile man. That they are wicked, just because they go. Youth! You're not youth! Man, just call man, running express. The oldest footballer you know that. What the oldest footballer in the history now? Ramos the oldest footballer. Ramos about 70 years. Yeah. Youth! You know, youth! Alright, the hardest question. Can I say you know everything about football? What EPL stand for? To them improve generate me in a youth. But the easiest question that I could have ever asked me, what man? Easiest, dog. The English Premier League. Youth!
Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get you.
One eternity later.
I eat that in my hold on, take one more. Finger them no. Easy youth, I last one. Dog, and even buy me a juice.
Girl, a beach and night.
Babes,
Yeah, man, you me attack, man. One night.
you.
The girl went on a toenail, you me attack, man.
Bombard girl, I'm stuck on my toenail, son.
On my beach, I am responsible. I want you.
I would have wear
I
your
want
attack
you.
with a mat set. And him looks
Yeah,
cute.
man. So why you going, so? But you know, you're not going, so you know, because you're not a toenail. And your friend,
You boy don't have
yeah,
girl,
girl,
you know,
watch out, watch out. You are nothing. And if you want your friend, you walk with you. No, nothing. Right. Here, just take that good off, Santiago, man.
Lando, we are going looking like that. We're going staying like that.
The hot party man, you know so me clean. Pretty kicks, all star, and them are weird. All the snapback, see it here? You can't
Oh,
wear it
your
too.
hat.
Yeah,
What
man.
kind of that?
A snapback of them are in the place. No girl not safe little more. Hey, a danger me turn here also. Can't wear such you know.
Jesus.
Yeah man, me clean.
Fresh.
Me know me fresh. Yeah man, catch a beat. So me I go post to them girl little more.
Give me a little dance. Give me a Michael Jackson
No girl
dance.
not safe. No girl not safe. Baby, I want to tell you this from the bottom of my heart. I love you and I will never cheat. I want to tell you this from the bottom of my heart. I love you and I will cheat. You see, babe, this is what I'm talking about. You're not loyal. You don't love me. You don't mean it. You don't mean it. Yo, double up on that. Yeah, money no lie. Double up. But I can feel like me ramp you. Yo, give me dice. My show daddy. Oh shit, me can't tell him that. That I won't do. Alright, watch out. Hey man, only for hard work. And only for pay attention in class and participation. And study. Studying, yeah. I study a lot. And I don't idle in the school compound. Larry a piece I fall me I come back, yes.
Noah!
Hey, what the hell are you doing?
Larry! Larry, you can't just... Oh,
Larry! Oh, are you all right? How did...
Larry!
Uncle Gates, so you look so vexing on Sunday morning, dog. What go on?
Dog, I'm tired, dog. I look on my face. Them not give me no rest, dog. From the day by me, just stop use me, dog. Them just buy you for pretty purposes. And now I use you. Watch him, man. Watch it. You would have me well quiet.
Yo, Uncle Gates, shut up. Can't see you behind me, must you?
Yo, leg up on my throat. I can't
Let
breathe.
Uncle Gates go.
It's a lot of pain.
It's too much pain. It's a lot of pain. Shit. I never mind to see that. Only if no bad. Go curse and so. Yeah, man. Think bad. Yeah, nothing.
Them not see that.
Yeah, man, me slippery. Them not see that. Baby, let me tell you this. Don't let them tell you anything. I know your head is big, your nose is big, and you have one ear. But this is what I have to tell you. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face. At night, me didn't see your face, so me never know. So I say the ugly. But it was in a crowded place. But still, you're beautiful. It's true. Someone has seen a ghost. Oh man, you see me go so you just put the camera so. Yeah, like so. Someone has seen a ghost. Yo, you're hard for learning just carry camera so now.
A few inches later.
Shit, seen this? That's a ghost, turn you up in the sky. That's a ghost!
Wow.
You seen this? That's a ghost! Oh shit!
Show the ghost, big.
It's a ghost! Oh shit! Oh shit! You're up.
Yo, big man, I'm daughter there. Yo, I'm a daughter there. I'm a daughter there. Yo, I'm daughter. What's it there? What's it there?
Where she at? On the pole. On the pole, 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 on the pole.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's slippery, you not see that?
Try so hard to get away. Think about you every day. Try so hard to live without, but no mas. Sunshine is shining far working out, and they can see that you're mine. Cause when we're together, you're like plunging inside of that fire I cannot contain. Our love is like a heat wave. It's burning through the evening gray. Set sail on an ocean wave. Cause our love is like a heat wave.
I never knew I would have seen it again. I never knew I would have seen it.